Now I will discuss the addition of 3 two-digit number. So this is the third method. So I am just putting the addition. Title of my lecture is addition of 3 two-digit number. Two-digit numbers. And this is the third method. So because of that, I will put example 3. Add the following add the following 3 two-digit number bus. And basically this is the third method. You can say here by third method. Third method. Basically, it is not a third method, but it is a forward counting as well. So I am just putting by forward counting. Forward counting. Title is already clear. 3 two-digit numbers, and again I will use the forward counting as I have done earlier. So question is, here I am putting O T. First is 25. It is also addend number. Addend. Next is 37. Again it is addend. And 31 is also addend. And then you have to do plus. It is sum. Here I am repeating many times, the position of the addend can be changed, interchange. In addition, but when you go subtraction, so you cannot change the position of digits, number. So how will you do? Step 1, I am just putting the solution. Step 1. Add all 3 ones, all 3 numbers at once. by forward counting. Now I have already told you that you choose first largest digit. So 7 is the largest digit. Then you make 5 R1 first. I am putting 1 first. 1 block, semicolon, this is 1. So I am going to add 7 and 1 and also 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For convenience, you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But counting after 7, it will be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. And for convenience or for understanding, this is you can write O, it is also O, 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 O and O. That means you have said the 3 numbers should be added in a forward counting. So what is that? It becomes 13. Here O and T. अब देखिए. Now question is that write 3. Step 2. Just abstract earlier. Write 3 at 2, 3 at once, below ones of sum. थोड़ा मैं यहाँ पर इंप्रूव कर दिया हूँ. सम यह है तो यहाँ पर आपको यहाँ पर लिखना होगा 3 and carry 1 over tens of addend. इसका मतलब कि आप यहाँ पर 1 यहाँ पर लिख दीजिए. So this is 3 at once is written below the ones in sum. Now step 3. Now add 1, 2, 3, 3 as by forward counting. The largest number is 3, so put here 3. And be careful, this is at T, all are below T. So you write here T. So first 1 block at T, then 2, it is also T, sub T hai. And then again 3, semicolon, semicolon. One, 2, 3. As earlier we have done, you can make a forward counting 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This 9 is also Step 4. Write 9 of t below t of sum as. Again लिखिए O T, here 2 5 3 7 3 1. Here it is addend. Again I am repeating, request the students to write addend always. This becomes 9 and 3. So the answer becomes 93. Now I will tell you in continuation. You can also write step 5. The result is equal to 93. O and T. Now I will give you the another method to do the addition. And it is very, very important to understand. Example 4. अब देखिए, for that I am asking you add this is also referred as sum and plus the following by using tens and ones. अब फॉलोइंग क्या करना है? अब कौन सा ऐड करना है अब मैं आपको बता रहा हूं. O T 34 47 and 29. This is also a 3 two-digit number. Be careful. So how we can do the sum? Before that, you have to be use. I'm just putting plus, and here you have to sum. It is sum. All three are added. Again, I am repeating, the position of addend can be changed. So there is no problem of this thing. अब now just see 34 can be written as 3 tens every 10 plus 4 ones. There is not much doubt on that part. Then this can be written as 4 tens plus 7 ones. You can write O also, but sometimes O can be understood as 0. So because of that I am using the full form. And 29 can be written as 2 tens plus 9 ones. Draw the line here. अब देखिए, simple है. Now I will not tell always to how to add 4, 7, 9. But for your convenience, I am writing step 1. 1. Add all ones by forward counting. As I have done earlier. 9 is the largest, so write 9. Then 4 block then 7. As I said, this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. ये वंस के बराबर है. ये भी 9 वंस है. फिर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So finally here I also write the 7. Because below 7, once 7, once 4, 9. Now you just count forward. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. That means this is the 20 O ones. जरा ध्यान से यहीं पर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि O T 20 ones is equal to 2 T. I will tell you how to write. So here it becomes continue it. Here 3 tens plus 4 ones. Very, very important. Here 4 tens plus 7 ones. Then 2 tens plus 9 ones. For your convenience, I am writing these things. Just see here. So how many ones? Plus 20 ones. Then again you have to add this one. Similarly, step 2. Similarly, The meaning of similarly should be told to the student that the previous method should adopt. Similarly, add 3, 4 and 2 and 2. It will be 9. So here it is going to be 9 tens. जब ध्यान से देखिएगा, then drop all this thing here, concentrate. 9 tens plus 2 tens, because 20 because 10 O is equal to 1 T. This is ones. 20 O is equal to 2 T. I have already told you this concept I am going to use here. So 9 plus 2 is very simple. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11 T. 11 T means 11 into 1 T. 1 T is equal to 10. So 11 into 10 is equal to 110. 110. So answer is first digit O, T, and third one is the hundreds. O, T, H. 100. Now I am going to give you some hints. What is the meaning of all these things, conversion table, which I have already told you, but again I am repeating. Here, even in the following questions, this will be used. Here, 100 is equal to 100 ones. ये ध्यान रखे रहिएगा जो है. और this is also 10 T. Then 2H is equal to 20 T or 200 ones. 3H 30 T is equal to 300 ones. Remember these things. And I will clearly write again. ये थोड़ा ये वंस ठीक नहीं है, ये भी वंस ठीक नहीं है, ये भी वंस ठीक नहीं है, और ये भी 30 ठीक नहीं है. Rest is okay. So I am rewriting. This is 100 ones. It is 200 ones. 300 ones. Yeah, 30. These conversions should be remembered. I have already told you previously also, and again I am telling you, hundreds means 3 digit, tens means 2 digit, and ones means 1 digit. I am going to give you some question for practice. I am just reviewing the question for practice. Questions for practice based on only for addition. And there is a horizontal addition and vertical addition. So you have to, I have already told you what is the meaning of horizontal addition and the vertical additions. Question 1. aid counting aid by forward counting. A. $45 plus 4 is equal to, one have to answer. I am giving first write O and T in every way. I am not going to put here O. O, T. In the rest, I am not going to write AT because the student should be asked to write. अब देखिए. Then B. $35 plus 3. C. 64 plus 3. D. 22 plus 2. This is just forward counting. This is known as horizontal method. Horizontal method. Before further question, I want to tell you how to add on the number line. That is very, I have already told you in the class 1, but class 2, it is in a more advanced stage. So, the example which I have given, example 4, so here I want to give the example 5. And I am taking the case 1, A. We have to, that means add 45 and 4 on number line. Here you just say, if students know the counting, and when I was told to write the number line, so here you have to take the biggest number to start with. Think over it. It is 45. And before 45, the tens is 40. Tens is 40. 45 T is never written. So, number should start from 40 to 50 or 60. So, just draw step 1. Draw number line from 40. What I am saying that before 45, 40 is the tens number. I am telling the reason why I have taken 40, because before 45, 40 is the tens number. Like 16. Tens before 16 is the tens. 10. Before tens हमेशा लेना चाहिए. So अब यहाँ पर नंबर लाइन खींचिए. It starts from पहले तो लाइन खींच लीजिए. I've said it is 40 because bigger line is 5, 10, 15, 20. I have already explained you why. 40, and then you can also have, just put roughly 45, 50. Ask the student to do the same way. It is easier. Then 55. You can also do 60, there is no problem. And then write 1, 2, 3, 4. That means if you add 4t, so it will be 45. You can say here 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Then here it will be 46, 47, 48, 49. अब देखिए, अब आपको ड्रा करना है 45 and 4. 45 here also write 51, 52, 53 and 54. अब देखिए स्टेप 2 क्या होगा. स्टेप 1 हो गया ड्रा नंबर लाइन. अब स्टेप 2, ड्रा vertical line at 45 because you have to add in 45. So vertical line is this. Step 3, count forward four number and draw vertical line. अब 45 का देखिए 1, 2, 3, 4. अब स्टेप 5 क्या है. स्टेप 4, ड्रा सेमी सर्किल between 45 and 49. सो आपको सेमी सर्किल आपको यहां पे से ड्रा करना पड़ेगा और ये आपका हो जाएगा 45 plus 4 is equal to 49. O and T. The result is step 5. The result is this is how number line can be done. So I will request you do all this calculation by forward counting for practice and also by the number line. The methodology I have already explained to you. Now, question 2. Add by tens and ones. Regrouping. I have already told you regrouping. It is also known as regrouping. A 13 plus 9. A. B 13 plus 15. C 27 plus 62. D 44 plus 22. Then you can also say DE 12 plus 31. And I have already told you about other things. Now question 2 and question 3 is the same, E. Now question 3. Aid by counting forward with straight line method. देखिए A 68 plus 28, B 74 plus 19, C 37 plus 26, D 66 plus 16. I will give you the hint. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, and basically 3 methods I have told you. Forward counting by square, forward counting by straight line, and the number line. I will give you some hint for that. I am deleting this one. So first, you know what are the 4 methods. Just see. First method, note it. A, by forward counting, with the square. That means this. B, by forward counting, with vertical straight line. Straight line. Just like this. C, by using number line. D, by using tens and ones. This is four method which I have discussed in all. But I want to give you some hint. Also I have given, I am repeating also. जब दिखेगा conversion. I will repeat many times. अब देखिए 1H means 10T. ये ध्यान रख लीजिएगा. Then 1T is equal to 10 ones. Here I will write. Very, very important conversion. B 2H means 20T. I have already mentioned 1T is equal to 10 ones. So it can be 200 ones. C 3H is equal to 30T. D 4H is equal to 40T. This can be 300 ones and this can be 400 ones. So in addition, this is this is a background of the students to understand the addition. So there are four methods, and later stage, I think, if your mind it is fit, forward counting, number line, and by tens and ones, it is also called as the grouping method, regrouping method. इसको regrouping भी बोलते हैं, regrouping. Regrouping का मतलब कि tens is attached to tens, ones is converted to 100. This is the meaning. Thank you very much.